In this video, we will show you how to set up a Garmin Coach plan in the Garmin Connect app. To set up Garmin Coach, you will need the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone and a compatible Garmin watch. See the link in the description for compatible watches. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but instructions are similar on Android smartphones. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app and access the menu by selecting More in the bottom right corner. Select the menu icon in the upper left on Android smartphones. Then select Training and Planning, followed by Training Plans. Now you will want to select a plan type. You can choose between running or cycling plans. For this video, we will select Running. Next, you will want to pick a running distance you are training for. You can choose a 5K, 10K, or half marathon plan. Once you have selected a plan, key features and plan details will display. When ready, select Setup Plan. Then read and accept the terms and conditions. You will then fill out some background information such as your typical weekly distance, running pace, and your goal for the 5K event.